Hi, in this video we want to look at the ReBill PoS app, point of sale or cashier system. In order to access it, there are two ways, either via the main menu on the top right or by simply downloading the app from the Play Store or App Store. But let's jump right into it using the browser. Now the interface is very simple. You have products on the left. In the center we have the current bill. Right now there's none open. And on the right we have all the bills. So let's start with our first bill. Our guest customer wants to have a bagel and a cappuccino. So you see these items listed on the bill. And on the right hand the bill is created. Now let's check them out. We are going to use direct delivery and of course want to apply our opening deal discount of 10%. Scrolling down, you can see the received amount, which is basically what the customer pays using any payment method. Clicking on full amount assumes that the customer has paid in cash the exact amount, and then the bill can be printed based on the printer settings, either direct or using a bill printer. Now let's jump into another bill. Let's use a known individual this time, customer. His name is Steven. We're going to make him a returning customer. Entering his data, only the name is required, but you can also add his social account or his phone number. And Steven would like to have our deal, 3 for 2, along with 2 espressos. And we're going to check him out right away. We're not going to apply a discount because he's doing a takeaway using the full amount of £18, and that's it. The bill is closed and ready to print. So next up is the kitchen order. We want to create a bill, assuming we have a kitchen that is preparing jam bagel and the espresso. The kitchen needs to prepare 2 bagel jams. Simply click on the item on the bill and then let's create an order. And that's it, the order is created. Now the kitchen order overview, which can run on a separate display or tablet inside the kitchen, shows all new ingoing orders, which then can be processed, changing its state from new to processing, which is also reflected in the Bills tab, where you can see all the orders. So this particular order is now processing. Going back to the kitchen view, we finished the order. The 2 bagels have been prepared, and furthermore, this is how a staff member can log out or lock the interface using his passcode to log back in. Then on top we have the daily report, in which all food categories are listed, and under bills and customers, all bills are visible, highlighting those that are still open. In this case, our second guest that didn't pay. All bills are visible, highlighting those that are still open. In this case, our second guest that didn't pay. Now on our live dashboard, while we're doing all the work, everything updates automatically. Now we have our today's turnover of £42.70, and the detail report or overview report is available in here as well. Under bills and customers, all bills are visible, highlighting those that are still open. In this case, our second guest that didn't pay yet. And all customers are listed and accumulated with a lifetime spent. And this concludes our today's video about how to sell a bagel to your first customer. See you next time.